Have you ever had to roll your shoulders, stretch, or even massage that nagging, persistent shoulder soreness all the time? Perhaps it's the cost of a desk job or spending so much time on your phone? However, what if I told you that there is a simple exercise that improves shoulder strength and mobility beyond what is possible with conventional exercises? Greetings from the active arch hung universe. Movement specialists have commended this hang for its ability to restore shoulder health, so it's not just any hang. It's even referred to as the perfect hang. What makes it so successful and where did it originate? Let's get started. Ido Portal, a movement coach renowned for his proficiency in injury prevention and mobility, introduced me to this idea about 10 years ago. Because of its effect on shoulder health, he suggested this active arch hang, so I was interested in trying it out. The active arch hang, in contrast to the standard dead hang, strengthens the muscles around the scapula by teaching your shoulder blades to stabilize. The rounded shoulder posture that many of us get from sitting or using phones may be reversed by doing this. As time went on, I came to understand how beneficial this hang is for strengthening the muscles that defend the shoulders, as well as for reducing discomfort. Then another layer appeared. Years later, I discovered the Gironda pull-up, a pull-up version that advanced the hanging idea. This pull-up, which was named after the legendary Silver-era bodybuilder Vince Gironda, transformed the way bodybuilders train their backs. For good reason, Vince believed it to be the most complete single movement for building a strong, well-balanced back. Gironda pull-ups are not like other pull-ups. As you climb, you position your chest nearly horizontally, seeking to connect your sternum to the bar, rather than lifting your chin over the bar in a straight line. Like the active arch hang, but with a pull-up action added, this positions your upper body in an arched posture. However, why this arch? Your lats are not the only muscles used by the arch. The Gironda pull-up engages the rhomboids, lower traps, and even the spinal muscles, while regular pull-ups target the lats and biceps. It works the upper back in a manner that few other workouts can, much like a vertical pull-up combined with a horizontal rowing action. Because it teaches your shoulder blades to stabilize, the active arch hang is very beneficial for shoulder health. By strengthening the often overlooked scapular muscles, this not only prevents injuries but also reverses pre-existing shoulder issues. What therefore makes this job so successful? The range of motion of our shoulder blades or scapula is enormous. However, they are unable to adequately maintain the shoulder joint if the surrounding muscles such as the rhomboids, rear delts, and mid-traps are weak. This is often the cause of shoulder injuries or discomfort. These stabilizing muscles are especially strengthened by the active arch hang. Our shoulder muscles atrophy in the back and become overdeveloped in the front when we spend hours sitting or using our phones. Our shoulders are pulled forward by this imbalance, giving us the traditional hunched appearance and adding to our pain. Let's briefly contrast the Gironda pull-up with other popular pull-up variations to provide some background. The hollow pull-up comes first, in which you maintain a hollowed-out body. Although it doesn't do much for the upper back, this is fantastic for the lats and abs. It's common in calisthenics for those who want to progress to more difficult techniques like the muscle-up. The arching pull-up is another exercise that involves gently tilting your upper body back. Most shoulders benefit from this version as it begins to activate the upper back and rear shoulder more. The Gironda pull-up, though, it resembles an advanced version of the arching pull-up. By pulling in the rhomboids, rear delts, mid-traps, and even the lower back, you're almost horizontal at the top. In only one movement, this amounts to a practically comprehensive back exercise. Now, don't panic if you're fascinated but thinking, I'm not even close to being ready for the Gironda pull-up. You may begin with the active arch hang. You will begin to experience the advantages of mastering this posture by maintaining it for 20 to 30 seconds at a time. You may next attempt a basic active arch pull, which involves descending back down after moving from a dead hang into an active posture. To regulate the movement, you may even practice with a low bar while keeping your feet on the floor. Only use your legs as necessary. Instead, concentrate on pulling with your lats and shoulder blades. This strengthens your muscles without overtaxing your joints. The bodyweight row is another excellent workout. This teaches shoulder retraction, which is essential for the Gironda pull-up, and strengthens your upper back. You'll be on your way after you've gained strength here. When you're prepared to do the Gironda pull-up, concentrate on a few essential guidelines. Wait until you're almost at the peak before quickly retracting your shoulder blades at the bottom. Additionally, to lessen tension on your shoulders, use a neutral grip. That's it. The Gironda pull-up is a fantastic prehab and rehab exercise that combines vertical and horizontal pulling while strengthening the shoulder. It's worthwhile to attempt if you're searching for a single move that offers all of these advantages. If you have tried or intend to try this pull-up variant, please let me know in the comments. For more incredible videos, please like and subscribe if you found this useful. I appreciate you viewing and keep on going on your path to strength.